I'm back with this episode. This episode I will be teaching about beginner basics such as how to show accounts balance and also accounts currency. So first step is to download IQOPTION. And if anyone already has it, you can skip this step right away. So go to download IQOPTION right here. And then choose what matches to your computer, Mac or Windows, whatever, and then wait a bit. Here it is. Install. And wait again. It's here, then open the IQOPTION. Here's login process, so you insert your username and the password. Then log in. Here we are. Now it is open. Gonna get back to browser and look up for API IQOPTION. Wait a sec. API. And choose this one, github.com. And I'm gonna choose the link here in new document section. I'm on the website of the developer of API that I'm using from the first episode, right here. So firstly, go to the account. Before moving on, I'm gonna create a folder again. This time, I'm gonna name it EP1. Open the folder and then click right to open with PyCharm again. Then we gotta wait for PyCharm for a moment. It is here. Now there are a bunch of codings from PyCharm. I'm gonna delete it all. Okay, so the main uses of it are firstly get the balance, get to know the currency, and also change the account to real or practice accounts. There are a bunch more. So firstly, from IQOPTION like this and import IQOPTION. As you can see on the website, it already provided the samples like this. Then I'm gonna create variables. Start with API equal to IQOPTION and brackets. And same as always, put your username and password. Don't forget the quotation marks and also a comma between the username and the password. And API.connect, don't forget it, it's very important. Next, I'm gonna create a variable. Start with BA equal to API.get balance. This is an order to see the accounts balance right here. Now try print BA. To run this code, the BA equal API balance, get balance. And then run it. You will see that it shows the matching amount of money right here, 9,954.29. This is just a demo account of mine. So next, let's see the real account. I only have $0 right here. And if I want to see the balance of this account, I have to use the change account code first. And the code, you have to get it from the browser right here. And the code is this one. We're gonna use this code and don't forget the mode too, so we can choose it's either real or practice. So firstly, I'll make a new variable. Mode equal to a string. Real, this is called string. However, before running, I have to change the account to real first, or else when you run it, it will run the demo one first, always. So to do so, I have to change it right. So API.change balance and mode right here. So when I click run it, it will run starting from the top. So the first order is putting the username and passwords of IQOption. And it will connect to the account. Via this. And change from the demo account to real one. To get balanced. And next one is print. Print is an order. To order BA or to get the balance. Now try and run it. See, it shows 0. Same as what I have in my real account right here. As you can see, I haven't been verified or top up any money yet. Next is to know the currency of your account. This is very important in the future when you want to code a bot that is not in dollars. Since normally in dollar account, the starting invest price is $1. But for example, in Thai baht account, you cannot start with 1 Thai baht because 1 Thai baht is not equal to $1. So it needs a program to check and multiply the amount to make it equal to $1. For example, in baht, 1 baht you need to multiply it with 30 to equal to $1, right? Yeah, so we have to check it. And on how to check the currency, I'm going to use this one, get currency. Here it is, with this code. So I'm gonna start with BACA equal to API.get currency. Here it is. And I'm gonna print BACA to run the code. When run it, it will show all the currency of the account. Wait a bit. Here they are. USD, but when we use it, try to be more decorative. I wanted to show both the balance and the currency. So, to do so, I will order print brackets F and a string. And this thing is balance because we wanted to show balance first. And then these marks, they are right here. Left and right. And then put BA inside as the code to get balance. And next is for the currency. Then BACA inside. Then run it. See, it now shows both the balance and the currency. $0. But if I wanted to show the sign of each currency, like dollar, I wanted to show a dollar sign instead of USD. I'll start with if BACA equal USD. So it's like if BACA is equal to dollar, show BACA as dollar sign, which is going to be the next line. Here we got BACA equal to dollar sign. Don't forget the quotation marks. So try run it. You will see the dollar sign. See, like this, 0, 0. But if other currency, just change the USD and then change the sign, match with the currency. And here, if you want to change to demo account or the practice account, because right now it's a real account, you can just change right here in the mode from real to practice. Here, to practice. Okay, just put this mark first. It is right here, the square bracket. So there are only two modes, so if you keep switching, it will get confusing. So I'm gonna do this. Put these square brackets first. It is called list. Then put practice and real. Don't forget the quotation marks and a comma again. So when I want the practice account, I have to put an index. By putting a list, then a number inside. However, when we count the most order, it starts with 0, not 1. So it's going to be 0 and 1. Practice is 0 and real is 1. So I'm going to count it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So then if I want a practice account, I'm going to put 0 right there and try run it. See, it shows the practice account. And when I want a real account, I'll just change to 1. Now I can run it immediately without changing the code every time. See? 0, and now it is a real account. Easy. Okay, this episode, I already taught you about these basics, get balance along with the currency, and also on how to change the account from real one to practice one or to practice one to the real one. And here's an addition for you guys. In case you have already finished your bot for others to use it, and you want to know if the user's account is real or demo, or it is a practice account, you can check it right away. So, in order to check it, start it with if again. If mode equal mode if mode 0 equal to practice I'm gonna copy and paste it here, equal to practice, then mode AC equal to practice. And else means if not. So if mode 0 is not equal to practice, it's gonna equal to real. And in order to get the balance accordingly, put brackets. Here. And then mode, colon, and mode AC. Inside here, like this. Therefore, when run it, it will show the type of the account followed by the balance. Okay, run it. Oh, something's wrong. Something is wrong. Oh, I coded it wrong here. I have to change this first. So I'm going to add modes, another mode right here. So it's gonna be modes is equal to this one. Let's go to mode 1. It is to check the type of the account first. So I'm gonna add modes here too and change this. So if modes is practice, mode AC will show practice, or else it is real. Now try and run it again. See, now it shows mode real, which is a real account with the balance of $0. So if I change it to mode 0 or practice and try run it again, it shows the practice one with its balance. Here it is, $9,954.29. And yeah, these are some basics for this episode. So later episodes will be about get the candlesticks information, open or close price, other currency pairs, and how to use time frame, build an indicator, or so on. So this is a wrap. Thank you guys.